So today we're doing a lesson and we are learning about a painter who lived in Germany. So we are tracing to see how far Germany is away from where we live. So we're going to go from Germany all the way back this way. So keep your finger, that's okay, you can move it. And then find us over here. Did you find California?
Is that it?
Right here. Right here. So we're right here. We're in the very tip of the state. So that is what we're doing today. It took us a while to find Germany. Germany is a pretty small country. Well, I thought it was bigger. See, I'm learning something too. Hi, this is Amy with Homeschool Beautiful, and today I want to show you how we use beautiful artwork and paintings to do a painting study, called an artist study. This is a very Charlotte Mason method that I really love to do with my kids, and you will see how much they actually get from it, and you will see how wonderfully Jenny Phillips has woven these artist studies into the lessons, which will include grammar and geography and spelling and writing and all kinds of wonderful things. So stay tuned and I'll show you how we do it. This painting for several minutes, about 3 or 4 minutes, and she is going to tell us what she remembers from the painting. All right.
So his name is Felix Schleisinger and he lives in Germany. And there's these two children, and it looks like they're playing with this guitar on the table. There's a dog in the background with a lot of detail. The female child had a pink dress, and she didn't look as happy as the little boy, which was wearing a blue little jacket and some white little socks and some little shoes. Some black little shoes, and the background kind of looked yellowish, like mustardish, yellow kind of. And that's all I remember.
Do you remember anything that was on the floor?
A dog.
Anything else?
No.
Okay. Do you remember anything that was on the wall?
Yeah, I saw a painting.
Okay. Do you remember what was in the painting?
No.
No, that's okay.
It looked like there was kind of like a person, I guess.
Yeah,
It didn't really
maybe.
look like.
Do you remember anything behind the children on the back wall?
No, I don't remember seeing anything.
What did the little girl have in her hair?
She had a little blue, aqua blue bow.
Right. And what, let's see, what did the dog have on his hair?
I just saw white.
Okay.
It just looked like a little dog.
What were the children playing with?
A guitar.
And where were they at while they were playing?
They were sitting, well, it looked like they were kind of standing on these chairs at a table.
Do you remember what was on the table?
A guitar.
Anything else?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Very good. Do you remember any, what kind of texture did the painting have?
I don't know.
Was it smooth? Do you remember if the brush strokes were smooth?
It was really smooth looking to me. Smooth, yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to have you look at it again and tell me some of the things that you might have missed.
Oh, there was a book.
A book on the table.
And then behind them there was the curtain. And there's some books. There was a little, don't know what those are called, and there's a collar on the dog.
Yeah. And what about the painting and the brush strokes? What do you notice?
It just looks, yeah, I think it's smooth looking.
Parts of it are smooth, but if you look, you can see some lines in there. And you can see that it looks like he actually used some metallic gold paint. Do you see that? Doesn't it look metallic-y, like glittery?
Or just did some highlight.
Yeah, it could have just been highlights, but it sure looks gold, doesn't it? Even this picture.
Yeah.
If he did those as highlights, wow.
I love the dog. It has so much detail to it.
Yeah. That is amazing. So that is how you do an artist study. And this is very Charlotte Mason. This is something that Charlotte Mason, one of her methods, and I absolutely love, love, love this method. You can do this with music composers and artists, and it's just so great. It gets children involved and appreciating art in a way that you've never seen before, and it is awesome. So we're going to go ahead and do the geography worksheet now, and she's going to label the countries. All right, so this painting is by Felix Schlesinger, and that's who we were tracing from the country Germany all the way to where we live so that she could see the distance of how far away. So that's what this instructs us to do. I just love that The Good and the Beautiful has these beautiful paintings that we study. And a lot of these paintings, if your children ever go to museums, the really awesome thing about studying these paintings and the way that we study them, we study the details, we study the textures in the painting, we study the expressions on their faces. And if you go to a museum and you're ever able to see one of these paintings or even a similar painting, a lot of times your children will point that stuff out, and it just shows how much they are learning and taking in. So now we finished the geography page worksheet here, and now the next section is we're going to do an activity using the beautiful painting, and she's going to identify 4 nouns. So you can see how everything is just sort of woven together. You have geography, art, we're doing grammar, usage. It's all going to be woven in together, and it just makes it so awesome because everything just helps to reinforce each other. All right, so Ava, look at the picture and tell me 4 nouns that you see in the picture.
Can it be common nouns?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The girl and the boy, the dog. These are things. The guitar and the
horn.
Yeah, horn.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now write a sentence about each of the nouns and tell me the subject of each sentence. So go ahead and get your notebook, and you're going to write 4 sentences about each of these things. And then you're going to, we'll just have you underline the subject, what the subject is of the sentence. And then we will show our viewers your sentences. So then it says, remember that not all nouns are the subject of the sentence. The subject of the sentence is the person or thing doing or being the main action. All right, so here we go. All right, so here are her 4 sentences. She did, the girl is on her knees, the boy is standing on the chair, the dog is lurking, the guitar is on the table. So as we were writing, we worked on, writing as neat as we could. We corrected some spelling errors, and we made sure we used punctuation, and she underlined all of her nouns, her 4 nouns. So that is that activity. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe.